Hi, and welcome to Introduction to Web Design Course Tour in Schoology. Once you're logged in, please select Courses. In your list of courses, you're going to see one that looks like this. This says Introduction to Web Design. Now yours will either say 6 or 7. You won't see both. I have both because I am the teacher. And from time to time, our screens will look a little bit different, but I'll try to point that out as we go through our tour. To enter the course, simply click the box and it takes you in. We lay it out by folders to organize everything. And as you can see, we organize it by unit. So Unit 1, Elements of Good Design. 2, HTML Basics, the language of the web, Unit 3, CSS, let's add some flair to our sites, and etc. Now these are currently grayed out because students are unable to see that, but Unit 1 will be available to you by the first day of school. Now let's go back to our start here. So obviously you have found that because you are in the course tour. Select the caret to expand and it's going to show you all the folders under our Start Here section. Now again, we have subfolders which also have other items underneath them, and they're indicated by the carets next to them. So expand that and you will see a listing of different activities that you can work on. Some are pages, some are tests or quizzes, some are discussion boards, and right now, of course, you're on the course tour. So you want to, as you go through, you want to step through each subfolder under the main folder and go through each item. Now let's look at a unit and I'll show you some other details that are important for you. Again, select the caret to expand, and we step you through the unit by numbering them 1.0, meaning Unit 1, the very start, Unit 1, Activity 1, Unit 1, Activity 2, and then if there is a caret beside that, then it's going to be 1.2, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, etc. on the way down. And you can see that's one of the reasons why this is not published to you yet. I don't have all of the minute details added. Now, one thing that you'll want to note is that when activities need to be turned in, there will be a due date next to them. Now please don't automatically skip 1.0 to go to 1.1 since you have a due date on there. Because as you can see in this case, what makes a good website, which is an article you'll be reading, your 1.1 is your thoughts on good web design, which is directly related to 1.0. So don't skip. Make sure to go in the order that we have it. We've laid it out so you can just click and sequentially go through everything. And again, even in the subfolders, everything goes in the order that it's listed. And don't forget to always expand these because you'll see that there's due dates in here too. Don't want you to miss those. All right, so one thing we need to cover is to make sure that you have met the prerequisite for this course, and that is mastery of keyboarding objectives. And also too, it's important that as you are stepping through and working on your different assignments, that it's your work. It's okay to ask questions. It's okay to seek out advice and assistance. However, it needs to be your work at the end of your inquiry on how to do things. And last but not least, obviously you have your Chromebook or you would not be able to be listening to me right now. However, make sure to have it and have it charged up And if you have any technical issues, please make sure to submit a ticket right away so we can get those resolved and have a successful school year. Thank you.